Hello friends, welcome to Sportroids. In this video, I will explain how to do sport betting on Casino Royale. Casino Royale is a leading crypto-based casino. In this video, I will explain what things is necessary to keep in mind before placing a bet. Okay, and all those things I will show you on Casino Royale's betting platform. Okay, this is the interface of Casino Royale betting platform. Here I will show you this. There are lots of sports included where we can place bet. Here is available. Sport is uh, soccer, basketball, tennis, ice hockey, table tennis, NBA, and there's also basketball, baseball is also here, cricket also available here, and there's a lots of match to place a bet. But in this video, I will just explain on football betting. I will just tell you how to do sport betting on football. Okay, and other sport I will explain on my another video. This video not will be long, that's why I'm not saying. So that's why I'm explaining all the sports here. Let's take off a match here. Is the international UEFA National League match. This is a semi-final between Italy and Spain. The first semi-final. This is held on 7 October. As per the Indian time, this will be on 12:15 a.m. Okay, 12:15 a.m. This match I have well analyzed. That's why I am show you how to place bet on this match, because always analyze the match before placing a bet. Okay, then only you will reach a nice decision. Okay, here I start with 1:2 here. Yeah, 1:2 here. One is team 1, and cross means draw option, and 2 means second team. Okay, so here Italy, there is odd of 230, Italy winning. If Italy win, if you place bet on Italy, and if it win, then you will get 230 odds. That means 220 230%. If you invest $100 on Italy winning, then you will get $230 like this, and 130 is your profit. Okay, and similarly, if you place bet on draw option, this options, you will get 3.2 odds. That means 320 percentage. And if you place $100 bets on draw, then you will get $320. That means your profit is $220. Okay friends, and if you think after analyzing, you feel that if Spain will win the match, then you will get 3.65 odds. That means 365 percentage on Spain winnings. If you $100 invest on a Spain winning, then you will get $365, and your net profit is $265. Sorry. Okay, so this is the odds they are providing by our bookmaker. This is the spreadsheet, and this all the events they are showing us as and their odds also available for their. By odds we can judge the likely happenings, what is the happening of particular outcomes, chances of particular outcomes, as calculating the odds. Okay, but according to me, when I analyze the match, I find that Italy is a good form. Italy is little better than Spain. I analyze match. How I analyze this match? Check the history. 5 matches of Italy and 5 matches of Spain. I found that after on the Italy last 5 matches, Italy won 3 matches and 2 draw, and Spain last 5 matches, Spain won 3 matches but 2 losses. Okay, and in the 5 matches head to head, Italy won 2 matches, 2 draw, and 1 Spain winning. Okay, and Spain is a Italy is a good form also, and this match is Italy's home ground, and home advantages also will be there. The poor complete chances of Italy is here winning, more chances showing. But one thing is, remember, there's more point may be hidden here. Okay, there's more information to analyze before predicting match. More information is needed here. If their play all players are well, I found that the 2 players are injured, 2 attacking players are injured. I was going to place bet on Italy winning, but later I found that 2 players are injured, 2 attacking main players are injured. and they substitute two new player, young player in place of them. Then I stop myself placing bet on winning. So we have to judge, we have to analyze very well. Okay, then I there are we are have more options. The next option is double chance. What is double chance? If match is Italy or draw, either Italy win or draw. If this happens, Italy won or match draw, we will won this bet. Next is Italy or Spain. This means either Italy win or Spain win, we will get our money. We will won this odds 1.36 odds. Okay, and third one is draw or Spain. Draw, if match is draw or Spain win, we will won our bets and we will get 1.67%. So this kind of bets we can place. This is a very easy to place a bet. Main thing is analyzing, proper analysis of the match. Second, if third one is a total. What is a total? Total of goals. We can place bet here. Both team totals. Both team total. If match finish, how much the total goals? 0 goals, 1 goals, 2 goals, 3 goals. How much you think this match will goal will be there? I think is a 2 goal. Then I place bet over 1.5 or under 2.5. I think that is a 2 goal minimum. So 2.5 under, or either we place bet 1.5 over. Okay, and I will get my bet is very slow. And what odd I will get over 1.5? I will get 1.4 odds. That means 140%, 142%. If I place $100, then I will get 120 my potential winning, $42 my total profit. Okay, this kind of bets we can place. There are more options here. There are Asian totals, there are handicap also available there, but this is the complex bet something. I will clear this all on my next video. Okay, and now we can more market here. I will show you. There's a corner market also there. Lots of market there. I will explain if all things that this video take a 2 or 3 4 hours. If I explain all, so I will explain main things. On corners, you can choose total corners. You can choose who will win regarding corner. Italy will win, you will get 2.50. If you say this will draw in corners, then 7.4 odds you will take for 740 percentage. And if you think Italy will win corner game, then Spain will win corner game, then 2.0 odds you will get. And okay, if you don't want to take a winning draw or anything, then you can say total corners. If you think that the total corner will be 9 in this match, then you can place bet 8.5. or if you think that under 7 or 8 corners in this match, so you can say under 8.5. okay, you will get 2.07 odds. Okay, so like this we can place bet on these events, on this happening. Is a very pretty much simple to place a bet. First thing to clear. Main thing is the analysis of match, and it's very enjoyable things to analyze a match. Very enjoyable. There are lots of resources on the internet. You can analyze very well match, and I will also tell you on my videos how to analyze a match in forthcoming videos. Okay. And next thing is what point is next point is this: how much dollar, how much money we invest on this match. Okay, so I will tell you, I will suggest you are beginner, then you must 1%, you must invest 1 or 2% of your bankroll, not more than that. If you are minimum $1 you place if you are a beginner of your bankroll. Sorry, if you have $100 bankroll, you just $1 you place, and 1% you place. Okay, when your match improves your match day by day, then after some days you feel, and then 2% you can do, or maximum hour. If you become a professional in this field, then you can maximum place 5%. I also suggest 5% of your bankroll. Okay, here what thing happens, 1%, if you match lose one game, then you double the amount on the bet, you triple the amount on a bet, you lose, and 4 or 5 or 6 bet you completely empty your bankroll. That's a very dangerous things, friends. So never do this. Okay friends, the bankroll management is good things. very must follow things. Okay. And now third point is this: value your money. Value your money means value your bet. How much odds you want to in this match? What's the nice odds to place a bet? According to me, 140, 170 odd is good. Okay, here to 3 match winning, 1 losing, still you are in profit. If you choose a 120 odds, what will happen? What will happen? One thing, if you think 1.20 odds, 5 match you won, 1 you lose, then what is the end? In the end, the result, nothing, no loss, no profit. 5 match you winning and no loss, no profit. What is these things? So never follow this such small uh, odds. Okay, so these are the things, very simple things, friends. Sport betting is very enjoyable things. You play small box and you enjoy the whole match very well, very entertaining. Here people on hobbies spending lots of money on equipments for entertainment, but here just meager amount, just meager bucks, a small bucks can give you a boring match and very entertaining. Okay, nowadays our favorite team match, not daily, not weekly, after 1 month like this. But if you place bet on a boring match, we will enjoy the game. So just little bucks give us so much enjoyment, or even some money also. So friends, I will suggest you play sport, you do sport betting on Casino Royale, because Casino Royale, I feel, I just like experience here, I just feel that is a better odd provider as compared to other sites. And also a small bet, 0.10 minimum bet here is 0.10. That's amazing, I feel. Okay friend, and you just play here. I will more strategy, more things, more games, about more games I will tell my another video, because this is my first video ever on a sport betting, and this video will go long. I don't want all these things. Okay, and at last I'm going to show you a bet. I am not and at last I decided I will not bet on anything and team winning, because I felt this is a two played injured of Italy, and Italy also in form and also a home game. But I will say it is confusing placing a bet, and I decided I place bet on over 1.5. I will get in 1.042 on this match, so I choose 1.5 over. Okay, here I just $2 I am going to place. 1 minute friends, yes, $2 I place on over 1.42 play for 1.5 over, means 2 goals. My net is very slow. Okay, I bet is successfully. Okay, I bet successfully here. I go to my bet slip. My bet is very slow, and this video is becoming so long. This is my first video ever. I enjoying this video. Please, you don't bore. This video is so long. Here is my bet. Okay, here's my cash out is saying cash out is 1.84. If I cancel the bet, I will return 1.84, but I will not cancel. I just place my bet, and here I place. If this match 2 goals happens, I won, and I got $2.84 in return. Okay friends, so thanks friends for watching my videos, and I will make more and more videos about more strategy and about more sports, how to play another aspects, another outcomes, another events of these sports. Okay friends, and if you want my next video notification, then please join my Telegram channel, oh sorry, join my YouTube channel, subscribe it, and also my Telegram link also in description. You also join this, that message me there, any problem, anything, any want, info me you want, I will share everything, my experience, as per my experience. Okay friends, good luck for your future bets friends. Thank you.